What's going on, y'all? Chuck Nunface here. Gonna do a little bit of an unboxing today. So this just came in from St. Nick's. Oh, excuse me. You'll have to bear with me here. I've been dealing with the hiccups for like a day and a half. It is really frustrating. Comment below if you've got any surefire hiccup cures, because they come and go. They don't last the whole time. But oh man, there we go. They are really a pain. But we are gonna do a unboxing. This is from St. Nick's Knives. This just came in today, so we are gonna go ahead and check it out together. Going to be opening up with that auxiliary manufacturing, which I've been really liking. And it's been working really well in this cedar growth leather sheath as well. So I added that lanyard. If you've checked out my last video, I added that lanyard with the bead and everything else. And it's been working really well as a pocket carry fixed blade. So let's just carry on and opening this if we can. Got that one already. Do I have everything I need? What do I need to? Maybe. All right, there we go. All right, let's put that away and see what we got. Well, we have a Spyderco. I am just a sucker for Spyderco's, particularly Spyderco limited releases. Nice little slip right there. Little sticker. St. Nick's Knives out of Alabama. Cool. Let's see what we've got. Well, what do you know? We've got the new Shaman in Rex 76. So that's a steel I have not had any experience with whatsoever, but it is a dealer exclusive, I believe, not a Sprint or anything like that. This is just exclusive to St. Nick's Knives. So been a while. Well, it's a little stiff. Maybe I misfired it though, but that is it right there. So it's a black DLC Rex 45 blade. It's got that denim micarta handle, which feels really nice. Feels really nice. This is only the second Shaman that I've had. The first was the Crew Carter one. And I liked it, but you know, I didn't end up hanging on to it. Don't know if I'll hang on to this one either. These, as of now, they are currently sold out as an individual item on St. Nick's website. They do, however, have them in a package deal with like a couple of giant mouse knives, something like that. So they are still available, but they don't have them for sale as an individual knife, only as the package. So yeah, I saw this on Instagram that they were going to be dropping this, and I just kind of said, you know, it's been a while since I've had a Shaman. I'm going to give it a try again. It's got all the normal things that I like. I like the blade, the shape, and it fits in that native 5 category, or that native category, I should say. Speaking of which, let me grab it right now. So there's my 15V native. So that's kind of along those lines, the native chief, those blades right there. So it kind of fits in with that whole family. Considerably larger, of course. This one has a compression lock as well, as you can see right there, like the PM2, Military 2, things like that, Para 3. And it does have the one thing that kind of bugged me about it the first time, is that nub right there. They could probably do without that nub, and that's what I think is intriguing about the Spyderco Bodacious, which I have not had any experience with yet, but the Bodacious, the blade goes all the way down, goes down further, I should say. Less pronounced finger choil, and it doesn't have that nub right there. So you get a little bit more blade, usable blade with your blade length. And so I like that with the Bodacious, but they, like I say, haven't had one yet, and they haven't had one that I really wanted. They haven't rolled out any sprint runs or limiteds or anything like that. So I'm just not one to probably jump on the standard S30V version of a Spyderco, even though, I mean, it's fine. There's nothing wrong with S30V. But yeah, this is just a first impressions video, unboxing, I should say, maybe first impressions. But that's the knife right there. Looks good, seems good. Gonna pocket it for a couple days, use it a little bit, and yeah, I'll check back in. So that's gonna do it for today's video. Go ahead and like, subscribe. I certainly would appreciate that. There's a button right there if you want to go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Definitely helps out, lets me know that the content I'm putting out is something that the community finds interesting. And yeah, like I say, hiccup cures, put those in the comments. Would definitely appreciate it. And that's going to do it, y'all. Peace out.